When using browsers, I make use of a lot of shortcuts, and I thought it'd be cool to show you guys some of these shortcuts. So the main ones that I use are the following. Let's say I have 4 tabs open here. I can switch between them by holding Control and pressing Control 1, 2, 3, or 4. Now you can go all the way to 8 with that, but I find that as you get beyond 4 and 5, it becomes too awkward to control with your hands like that, so I don't use it as often. Now let's say I wanted to create a new tab. Control T will create a new tab. And what's nice is that by default, you're in the search here, so you can start searching for whatever you want. Press enter, okay? And then let's say I'm done with this search. Well, what do? I can press Control W. Control W will close the tab or window that's currently open. And let's say I wanted to open a new window, not a new tab. New window is Control N. New window comes up. I do my stuff here. And when I'm done, Control W, it closes. Now let's say I wanted an incognito tab. How do I do that? Well, it's Control N again, but you have to hold Shift at the same time. Control Shift N. Here it is, incognito. If I need more of these tabs, I can press Control T while I'm within incognito, and it creates more incognito tabs. I can do that multiple times. And then to get out of here completely, I can just press Control W 4 times, for example, to get out, and it closes incognito mode. Now let's say I close the Apple tab here with Control W, and then I close the Microsoft tab with Control W, and both these tabs are closed, but it's a mistake. I want the Microsoft tab back. Well, I can press Control Shift T. It brings back the last thing you just closed. And then if you press Control Shift T again, it brings back the other tab because it remembers the sequence in which they were closed. So guys, that's what I do day to day. I do a lot of Control 1, 2, 3, 4. I use Control T all the time to search. Control W to close tabs, always. So those are the main ones that I use, and they tend to work in all browsers. But by all means, explore. There's a bunch of other ones out there I didn't even cover.